Hi friends, today I have got 20 powerful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. You want to ask your friend about their weekend. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? You want to politely offer help to someone. Do you need any help? Do you need any help? You are checking if a person is free to talk. Is this is a good time to talk? Is this is a good time to talk? See, these are very short, simple, and powerful. Keep repeating with me. You are asking for someone's opinion. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? You want to know if someone has eaten. Have you had lunch? Have you had lunch? You are reminding a friend about something important. Don't forget to call me later. Don't forget to call me later. You want to ask about the weather. How's the weather today? How's the weather today? You want to make a quick suggestion. Let's meet at the cafe. Let's meet at the cafe. You want to check if a person is ready. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? You want to ask someone's location politely. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? You are telling someone to wait for a short time. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. You are asking for clarification. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? You want to know if someone enjoyed something. Did you like the movie? Did you like the movie? You are asking about future plans. What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? You are telling someone to relax. Take it easy. Take it easy. You want to confirm a decision. So we are going ahead with this. So we are going ahead with this. You are asking about someone's health. Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now? You want to politely interrupt. Sorry to interrupt, but sorry to interrupt, but to continue that sentence. You are offering something to drink. Would you like some tea? Hey, would you like some tea? You are ending a conversation politely. I will talk to you later. I will talk to you later. That's it, guys. Try answering the question on the screen in the comments below. If you keep practicing daily, you will see a big improvement in your English. See you in the next video, friends. Thank you.